I am BreizhNode, a blockchain and masternode enthusiast, and I'm excited to share my knowledge about this ecosystem through my articles and videos. Run your own Linea Node on the mainnet and contribute to the decentralization of the blockchain project built by ConsenSys, which has successfully raised over $725 million. Linea is a blockchain project aimed at enhancing the Ethereum experience by implementing a Layer 2 vertical scaling solution. It operates as a zk-VM. Linea is currently in the alpha phase of its mainnet. To set up your masternode, you have the choice of opting for a virtual private server, VPS, which is ideal for hosting websites, applications, or other online services, such as nodes. In my case, I opted for Contabo, a reputable VPS rental solution. Feel free to use my referral link to support my work. Once you have completed the payment process, you will receive an order confirmation email. Please wait to receive a second email containing information about your VPS, including your login credentials. Follow my on-screen actions to set up your node. All the commands can be found on my Medium. The link to this article will be in the description of the video. Congratulations, your node is up and running. It will take a few minutes to be fully operational. To exit the screen instance of your node, press Ctrl plus A plus D. Oh, you can go to 6 minutes to see what happens when the node is fully operational. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Feel free to like and share it.